Hey, this is JoJo Dancer Zolina. This is video 2 for our how to whack basic arm rolls. This is a progression from our last video, so check that out. This one we're gonna work on our wrist rolls, elbow rolls, and shoulder rolls. So we're gonna apply our breath and core into our arm rolls. So this will benefit you to become more graceful with your arms. Check it out.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through.
Alright guys, and girls, we're gonna do the elbow rolls. Make sure you pay attention of how your hands rolls and your elbow rolls. Okay, make sure you work on that pathway first. Get used to it. I want you to breathe as much as you can. Take it slow, take your time. And then if you get used to it, do it a little faster. You can do it in different ways.
Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. Stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. Too far, I'm in the dark. Now don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. Could you make me feel we're in this for real? And I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star.
Alright, this time we're gonna work on placement. So every single time you do like arm, elbow rolls, or wrist roll, we're gonna hit a pose and we're gonna flex it. So we're gonna rotate, 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 flex, rotate, 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 flex. Hey guys, thanks for watching my second video. I hope you had a great workout. Please leave a comment. I would love to hear about your progression and anything, any question, reach out to me. If you want to hear more, please hit the description down below. Leave a comment, hit the like if you like it, and thank you. Have a good day.
Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I wake up. Don't quit, I fell for you. Don't break it in two. Long time before I knew.